Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have my next card for paper rose today. I am going to be using some distressings, Christmas, say that fast, and I'm also going to be bringing in some silver bells patterned cardstock. So we've got pumice stone, weathered wood and faded jeans here, and in the end I'm going to actually bring in some black soot. I'm just trimming down my piece of paper here to an Australian. It's a little bit smaller than Australian cards front. This size is 14.4 by 10 centimeters, and we're just going to blend in all the inks and leave a highlight right in the center. So I'm starting with my lightest color, coming back into my weathered wood, which is going to give it a really grey sort of take away from the blue, you know, like the grey, and the pumice stone is going to blend, and so it's going to be quite, I mean, it's quite bluey grey anyway, but I digress. The next thing we're going to come in through with our faded jeans, and I'm just making sure that I've kept a highlight right in the middle there, and I just go back out with the other color. I usually do both, all my colors, like 2 times. So I decided it needed a little bit extra, so we've got the black soot, and I'm just going around the very edges with this, leaving it pretty rustic and pretty cool, frankly. Just soften that a little bit with the faded jeans and the weathered wood. And lastly, we're going to go back to our pumice stone. Pumice. I think it's called pumice. That's what we call it here. But anyway, what you didn't see there is I've just sprayed a little bit of water just to give it a little bit of texture. It's just pattern paper. It hasn't got an awful lot, but it does, in real life, it does have, you can see a little bit down the bottom in the dark colors. I've got these 2 beautiful snowflakes. Now, I was originally thinking of having a couple, but I'm going to change that, and I'm going to bring the Snowflake Set 4, which has just got a big snowflake. I'm going to keep this really simple, this card. This is a very quick and easy card for Christmas. I've used this crisp Christmas sentiment pack for, how long has it been out for? I definitely used it last year. I do sometimes teach classes, and I've used it in the classes as well. Like, they've just picked out the sentiment that they want. So there is a lot of sentiments that you can use in this pack. This sentiment right here is actually one that I'd already matted with a bit of grey cardstock, and decided I didn't really want to use that, and so we're going to just use it for today. Now, I am cutting out, what you cannot see off screen at the moment is, I wondered about more. I thought this needed a little bit more, so what I've done here is I've cut 2 more just out of white cardstock. It cuts out beautifully, but of course sometimes when you've got fiddly dies with lots of extra little bits and pieces, it can get caught, but it cut out perfectly. I toyed with the idea of having them all offset a little bit, but I just really liked the simplicity of having having it all just really plain, straight, done. So I put some glue on the back of my other sentiments, and we've matted all those together. Now I'm just going to put this in the middle, and that's pretty much a cut base. I'm applying pressure there just to make sure it gives it a good stick down. I've added foam on the back of this, and we're just going to press that all down, and I've added a generous amount of foam there, but I like it to be supported, and I don't like it very high, so that's why I use like a big foam reel that we have here. Last thing we've got is some clear sequins. And I'm just going to play around and figure out where I want those babies to be positioned. And I'm going to adhere those with some multi-matte medium, which is my go-to for this one. It's just my glue of choice in this situation. And that is going to be my card today. As I said, quick and easy, very, very simple, easily repeatable. And I hope you are well. I hope you take care, and I will look forward to speaking to you soon. See you later. Bye.